Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and you are feeling happy or bored. Sometimes we are happy and sometimes we are feeling bored. You know why I am talking about this? Because today I have a very interesting topic for you all. You all are loving games. You all love to be playing outside or inside. You know, playing games is very important in our life. It feels our mentally and physically fit. And if you want to be fit, you should play outside also and indoor games also. Today our topic is related to that only. You know, today is a very interesting topic I have for you all, and that is chess. You all heard about this, I know. Chess is a very interesting mind game. So today I will let you talk about that only, and you will learn many interesting things about chess. You know, kiddos, more than 2000 years ago, a board game Chaturanga was played in India. And this board game is said to be the beginning of chess. It was very popular with kings, warriors, and scholars. You know, the scholar means the persons who learn to be played the chess. And you know, kids, Chaturanga means four limbs. It stood for the four groups of army: the warrior who fought for elephants, the cavalry who fought on horses, and the chariots who drew chariots for the infantry. You know, Chaturanga was played by four peoples at a time. They will sit in front of them with the partners, and every player had a four pieces, and each piece being the symbol of one of the four group of the army. And the players took turns to roll the dice, and they used those days had four numbers. Unlike the dice used in modern games, which has six numbers. You know, from India, the game spread to Persia, and they quickly learned how to play and how even they changed the game and the rules of the game and called the game Shatranj. Some of the word we use in chess today also, we first used in Persia and checkmate. And you know, some of the words we use in chess today were first used in Persia. And checkmate is the term used by the players. The kings or the players or the opponent also, you can say that the king cannot escape. They said Shahmat, that means the king is died. From Persia, the game traveled to Europe. The form of the game that we play today was probably invented in Europe. About 400 years ago, this is new game was called chess and was quite different from the original chess, or you can say that Chaturanga. Many rules were added, many chess, or we can spread it, we can say that, to the other countries. Now there is an international group that manage and organize the game. Chess tournament are played all over the world, and winner international chess tournament, it is called a grandmaster. Just two players can play a chess at a time. Each player has 16 pieces, 8 pawns, 2 rooks, 2 knights and 2 bishops, a queen and a king. And the player with the white pieces always make the first move. And the aim of the player is to threaten the next player or opponent's king, which is inevitably capture. The king can move exactly one square horizontally, vertically or diagonally, column or diagonal. The queen can move any number of vacant squares. And you know that this is very interesting game. Some kids know that how to play and some of you don't know. But this is a very interesting mind game. And you know, it can rock moves any number of vacant squares. The bishop moves any number of squares in diagonal direction. And the knight moves to a vacant square in L shape. It can also jump over the other pieces, and when moving, a pawn can only move forward one space or optionally 2 space when it's on starting square. It cannot move backward. As Chaturanga traveled India to Europe and became chess, it is also traveled to China and Japan. And both these countries have a board game that is similar to chess. And you know, this game is called Shanghai, while in Japan it is known as Shogi. You know, the names are different but the playing method is the same. If you know that this is an interesting game, play it today only. Okay kids, so till that time you can play. Say bye bye.